In this video, we're going to go over adding your own custom statuses to the system, as well as making sure those statuses fall under your prioritization rules. To get started, you'll want to navigate to your settings. Once in your settings, you'll find Manage Statuses under System Configuration. When in your Manage Statuses settings page, you can either create an entire status list by clicking Add Status in the top right-hand corner, or you can add statuses to an existing list by clicking the pencil icon to the right-hand side of the status list. To add a status to an existing list, you'll just scroll down to the bottom here and find Add Status. You'll insert the name for that status, and then you can also choose what color you want this status to show up as. Once you've added that status, you can choose to have it be at the bottom of the list, or you can drag and drop it to wherever you want it to show up in this status list. Next, we're going to add this to our prioritization rules so this status can show up in our list. We want this to show up under our call queue list under Leave. So first, we're going to go to our prioritization rules settings page, which is under System Configuration. Once there, we'll open up our Leave and find the Call Queue Prioritization rule. We will go to the right-hand side and click the pencil icon and scroll down. Next, we're going to add a rule. We will name the rule, which is what that blue info bar will show. And then we'll come here and we will choose our status that we just added from this list. Next, we will choose Save. We can also drag and drop where we want that new status to show up in our prioritized list. If you have any questions regarding adding a custom status or adding that status to a prioritization rule, feel free to reach out to support@setshape.com.